Greetings, this is Ralph with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get started, the best way to get started for you, either in the Power Lead system as a gold member, or the Lead Lightning system, which is a downscaled version of the Power Lead system, or the Free Lead system, which is a further downscaled version of the Power Lead system. And what the Power Lead system itself is, when you enter in as a gold member, it is a program where you can build unlimited, an unlimited number of sales funnels to promote almost any kind of business you can imagine. If it's legal and if it's not inspiring hate or anything like that, I mean, you can probably use the Power Lead system to promote it. And what the Power Lead system is, and I'm going to show you here by showing you some of my domains, it's a series of sales funnels that you can use and you can modify to use for almost any business. And I'm going to show you one of my sales funnels here. Let's just go with the soup to nuts. This is promoting Power Lead system. But show you my first page. What these sales funnels are is you get an opening page, which is a capture page, which asks a question. Have you heard about 100% commissions? And then you give out your answer, and then you click next, and then it takes you to a page which asks you for your name and your email address, and that's the capture page. And then from there, let's go right on back here, it takes you to a presentation page, and we'll show you that. Now this one, let's just go down to the one I already have preset. It takes you to a presentation page, which gives the person the spiel, a presentation. What is the offer? And this one is set up for Power Lead system. And let's just play it and see what it sounds like here.
You're about to discover a product in such demand that millions of entrepreneurs are in desperate need of it, but most just have no idea where to get it.
And we'll just play a little bit of that, but that gives you a basic idea about what all you get with the Power Lead system. You can make sales funnels that consist of your capture page and then a presentation page, and these pages can be modified, edited to fit almost any kind of business that you have to sell. And what you get as a member of the Power Lead system is you get the ability to create sales funnels for virtually anything that you have to sell, plus you get an affiliate program. And let's just go out here, get back to the Getting Started page, and you get an affiliate program where you can get started pretty fast selling this program. And as a gold member, you can use your referral link to try to make sales. And when somebody buys at the gold level, a gold member level, you get $20 per sale. So, I mean, that's pretty good. It's $53.97 per month to get going in the Power Lead system as a gold member. But every time you make a sale, you get $20. Plus, when one of the people that you sell to, when they become a member of your team by joining using your affiliate link, and then they go on to make a sale themselves, you get a bonus. It's a 50% matching bonus. So it really is a pretty sweet affiliate system that they have. It may sound like a lot, $53.97 a month to keep your membership going. But yeah, you can be making $20 commissions plus a $10 bonus if one of your people makes a $10 sale, I mean a $20 sale, and that's all they do for the month, then you get $10. If one of your people goes ahead and makes $200 a month, well, they get that $200 a month, you get a $100 bonus. If one of the people that you recruit is a real go-getter and they make like a couple of $1,000 selling the program in 1 month, then you get a $1,000 bonus as your reward for recruiting and helping to train good people. So the Power Lead system, once you learn it, once you know how to work it, and once you start working it, can really work into a very lucrative program, giving you commissions and passive residual income based on the money that your team members are making. And the money that you get, the bonuses that you make, they're not taken out of your team members' pockets. Your team members get paid. The money that the bonuses are paid to you are not taken out of your team members' pockets. So everybody gets what they're working for, and everybody is happy. And this program has been around for a few years now, so it is solid, it is reputable, and I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but yeah, people have been making very good money in this program for the past several years. So that's what got me involved in it in the first place. So if you want to get started in the Power Lead system as a gold member, and you have $53.97 to get started, and then plus you're also going to have to buy your own private domain to use with the system, and that's going to cost you around $13 for 1 year. Now if that startup cost is no problem, then yeah, you can get going with the Power Lead system, and I will have the link in the description of this video. And yeah, just knock yourself out and get going. But now, what if you don't have that level of income? What if you can't afford that kind of startup cost? Well, there is a scaled down version of the Power Lead system, which is called the Lead Lightning system. It operates in a similar manner. What it is, though, you don't get unlimited sales funnels to use to market your own products and your own private businesses. What you get is a single sales funnel that can be used to promote just the Lead Lightning system, or the Lead Lightning system plus your primary business if you have one. And the good part about this system is that it's very cheap to get involved in, to get started in. It's $7, one-time fee, and then that's pretty much it. And you're set up to make $6 commissions. So if you don't have a whole lot of money, but you do want to get started in the Power Lead system at some level, then the Lead Lightning system is your second best way to get going. And yeah, $7 for life, and you're set. And you can be promoting your sales link, and you can be making $6 commissions with every $7 sale. So yeah, not bad. Now, what if you don't have $7? Or what if you don't want to risk $7? Well, there is an even more basic version of this program, and that's called the Free Lead system. And what the Free Lead system is, that is a system that is absolutely free to join, absolutely free to use for life. So that's the good point about it. You don't have to spend any money whatsoever. You get rewarded by distributing your link. You get rewarded with free leads. and they have a system where you market your link to people and just give them the system, and then they take the system, they start using the system, and they become one of your connections, one of your contacts, one of your leads. And then when they start marketing their system, they collect leads themselves, plus they also kick leads up to you. And so there's no money involved in this free lead system. There's no expense, there's no fee out of your pocket, but there's also no commissions. But what you do get to experience is you get a feel for how this system works, because when you learn how to use the free lead system and you start making free leads and start getting free leads and start seeing your leads develop and multiply in your contact manager, when you learn how to make that system work for free, then you pretty much have enough knowledge to make Lead Lightning work for you and to start collecting $6 commissions as well as leads. And you also have the knowledge of how to make the Power Lead system itself work at the gold member level and be collecting leads plus $20 commissions plus residual bonuses, plus get unlimited sales funnels that you can use to market virtually any opportunity or business that you may be in. So if you are absolutely positively dead broke, you don't have any money to risk, you don't have any money to invest, you're not really too sure about the system, you can just start at the free lead system level, try it out for free, keep it for free for life, and work with it. And then once you get your level of confidence built up to where, okay, you know that the free lead system works, then you'd like to take the next step up and join the Lead Lightning system and start earning $6 commissions, you can join at that level. And then after you've made some money with the Lead Lightning system and you want to give the Power Lead system itself a try at the gold member level of membership, then you can do that too. So 3 easy ways to get going with the Power Lead system. You can start at the top as a gold member and start at $53.97 a month. You can start at the Lead Lightning level for $7 for life, or you can start at the free lead system level, which is free for life. No matter where you start, you will have a chance to upgrade once you feel like making that commitment. So I hope this video has been informative, has given you some kind of value, and if you want to join the Power Lead system at any level, you'll find my links below. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.